I feel like giving up. I feel like giving up sometimes. Now, I will say this though. What's up there, friends? Casey Zeman here, founder of EasyWebinar, and I'm coming to you today because I want to talk to you about a problem that I've been seeing, and I'm trying to make these videos all day, and I was doing some crazy stuff. I was like bending over backwards and talking baby style into the phone. It's just not working. I mean, into the camera. It's just not working out. I just wanted to finally break down the thing that I've been trying to and struggling with telling you. So listen, selling ain't easy. Selling online ain't easy. Because you feel like you need to have a script, you need to have all these perfect bells and whistles and you need to look fancy and dancy, and you have to say all the right things. And you know, it ain't easy. It ain't easy. It keeps you up at night. It like nags at you. How many of you have been up at 2 a.m. trying to figure out how you're going to actually build qualified leads into your business? Or maybe you're lucky enough to have qualified leads, but you want to scale them in a better way and you just haven't been able to. I mean, this was what I was suffering from for many years in my business. And today, you know, with so much noise out there, so much content, so many people, so many websites, so much competition. It's like, how do you rise and sort of say, hey, I'm right here, peeking over the top of all of them? It seems daunting, and it seems near impossible to even do, right? I mean, do you feel that way? I feel like giving up. I feel like giving up sometimes. Now, I will say this though. We've seen something work. We've seen something work more than once, and it's got promise. Let me tell you what it is. Now, you know webinars have been around forever, but did you know that 73% of marketers out there still find webinars to work better than other things? They work to actually indoctrinate and qualify a lead before you ever get to a sale. In fact, the cool thing about a webinar is that it can do the trick of like actually selling before you make a sale. So that by the time you maybe drive somebody to a sales call, they are like order takers. And we actually have customers that have said we're able to reduce our number of salespeople from like 8 to 1. And that person became just an order taker because we put a webinar in front of their sales process, right? But many of you may not know how to do that. Maybe you have conversion issues. Maybe you have engagement problems during your webinar. Well, I wanted to share with you that there's actually good news here. So I don't know if you know, but it's Black Friday season around here, right? And every year we do a Black Friday deal. But this year, it's like I feel like I want to throw up because we're doing something that we've never done before. First off, let me tell you one thing that we just rolled out, which we're super pumped about, and then I'll tell you the thing that I want to throw up about later. But let me start with this. We've taken more than a year and built a brand new live room, okay? A brand new built from the ground up live room with 1080p streaming, no latency, and here's the cool thing and the kicker. It can stream up to 500,000 attendees, okay? And you can use the engagement tools with those 500,000 attendees. So you can offer polls and live chat and drop PDF guides and call to action. So many other cool things that you can do with that. So we're so pumped about that because we've been working on that new experience, and we know that that experience is going to help people stick around a little longer on your webinars. The next thing we have are, of course, our high converting webinar pages in our page builder. So we have built a brand new page builder tool that comes with already high converting registration pages, but you can also customize your own registration pages as well. So don't think you're just held to our own style. You can grab one of our high converting registration pages and actually customize it and use it in your own way. You can add custom fields to it, collecting more than just name and email. Phones you can collect. You can even actually segment your audiences right off the registration page. It's really cool. We also have an amazing suite of analytic tools available to you with this platform. You see, the analytic system is how you can inform decision making. So if you go back and look at when you had the drop-off, you can change your webinar to actually handle objections before the drop-off happens so that you can keep people there longer. And with our analytic tool, our full-blown analytic system, it gives you all of that data so that you can inform decision making. Now, beyond that, EasyWebinar comes with a whole bunch of other stuff, such as, all the notifications, segmented follow-ups based on showed, no showed, how much they watched, how little they watched, if they clicked on an action button, and so many more things that you can actually segment with our built-in follow-up sequences. But the thing that I was going to throw up on is this. We have a brand new EasyWebinar CRM platform. This CRM platform allows you to take leads that are coming in from EasyWebinar and now convert those leads through conversation, community, and close. And we're so pumped about this because we've never rolled in a complete sort of lead qualifier and sales CRM in one, but now we have it. And with our Black Friday deal, you're going to get access to this for 6 months for free. And it comes with all the Black Friday offers we have this year. Okay, so you're getting this CRM system that has a project management tool, a team management tool, a lead finder, module, a calendar module, and an auto dialer. Okay, and you know what you could do? You can actually schedule a meeting with a prospect and have our system call that prospect and then call you back and call you when they're on. Okay, it's so cool. Anyway, we have all of this and it's now rolled in with EasyWebinar and you get it for 6 months for free just by coming into a Black Friday deal. So here's the deal with the Black Friday. You can check out some of the offers. I'm not going to talk about all the offers. I'm only going to talk about one. You can get access to EasyWebinar for lifetime access, okay? Lifetime of the product as it exists. You get access to it for live and automated webinars. And we are, of course, rolling in 6 months of the EasyWebinar CRM system for free. Plus, a ton of bonuses, over 10 years of training material help to distill down how to actually do a webinar correctly so that you don't have any guesswork. And that package is 50% off. Normally it's like $799 something, but right now it's $3,995, okay? And you get access to it straight away and you can run webinars with EasyWebinar for life, okay? And it's really cool. I definitely recommend grabbing it. If you are someone who's serious about finally wanting to change how you're generating leads into your business, maybe you're missing the mark, maybe they're not hearing you, maybe they're not getting indoctrinated, maybe they're not connecting with you. Use a webinar, use our system, and use the CRM system to drive people into conversations from the webinar, track the leads from the webinar, see who's hot from the webinar, and drive those people into your business and close more deals. You can do that with EasyWebinar, with this bundle package for this year for Black Friday, and jump in because we're only going to have 500 of these lifetime packages offered to you. Okay, so after 500, they're gone. So now is the time to come in. Much love to you guys. Can't wait to see you on the inside, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.